Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for SP500. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 30-minute time frame, and today we're going to be focusing again on this structure over here starting from around 16th of August. For this structure, what we got is this scenario, most likely in which we have this as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the third of submicro here, fourth of submicro, and fifth. This would give us either an A wave or a wave 1. At this point, I do prefer the idea of having this as an A wave because the next extension here is right around the 1-to-1 extension. If we would be extending this all the way to the 1.618 extension of this whole structure, then we could be talking about the possibility of having this as a 5-way move or a 1-2 setup. But before that, I'm still going to be sticking with this ABC assumption. Since after the A wave was made, then I would have W, X, and Y into wave B, and then another impulse wave structure to connect this first one to this second structure downwards. Now, at the moment, we don't really want this to go too much further before it starts to lose the good look that it has. 1-to-1 extension of this basically would be around 31st of August, so that would be tomorrow. If we are still within this sideways structure basically here at tomorrow, then I'm not quite sure if this is indeed that wave 4 anymore, and if this could be something else completely. Again, why am I thinking that is because this structure here is a subwave structure, so it should be smaller than a previous higher time frame structure, which is again, and this time is a B wave, and this is again a subwave structure of that C wave, a wave 4. So hopefully that makes sense. Now in here, since yesterday we've just been using this channel to go higher. To me, I didn't really see too much bullishness in this. It is possible, however, that we have had this wave 5 at the very lowest where we have placed this third here. It doesn't really have a good looking divergence at the lows, so that's why I'm still thinking that this is indeed that third wave, and we have been just gathering some basically strength to take us downwards one more time. After these long dumps here, there is always going to be some kind of consolidation area before a possible breakdown again to create that divergence in price against the RSI to confirm a possible bottom. Now, the wave 4 here did not get to the 38.2, which is fine. Again, that's just one another target. We had this trend line here that we were following. It hit there, but again, I did not take any short setups. I'm still not I'm not any more short on SP500 though, but again I took a short on ETH today, as I showed you on the other video, and that's the play at the moment I'm going with. So I'm just on the sidelines on SP500 looking for this fifth wave to happen. Hopefully that is going to be happening today, so we can get out of this mess here. If we are going to be breaking this lower trend line here, I would be more confirming that okay, this wave 4 is done and it was actually a wave 4. If we are still going to be correcting like this, then we could be starting to think that this could be something bullish. But again, the only bullish scenario I see is that this here is going to be some kind of expanding diagonal. And as I've already said multiple times, that I don't really trade expanding diagonals. They are really rare, and to put my money into that, I feel like it would be more of a gamble than anything else. So that's why I don't really play them, because they are, again, so rare. The wave structure in here is so overlapping that it is mimicking basically some kind of corrective pattern. So to say that, okay, we have bullish scenarios here, more likely it would be very weird. So yeah, that's why I'm still thinking that this is indeed a wave 4. Now, we'll see how it turns out, but again, looking at some targets here, 1-to-1 would be 4014. I don't think that is going to be happening because, again, that is higher than the current low. 1.618 would be 39.78. Let's see if we have any kind of confluence anywhere close. We have a naked point of control right there with some kind of order block here. I think that is going to be a 1 hour order block. Haven't labeled it there. The other target would be around down here, which would take us quite deep, 39.26. We have a daily and a naked point of control right there, with a bit higher time frame order block there. So we'll see how it turns out. But those two would be the areas I would be looking for long possibilities. But if you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.